Welcome back, Gunners. This is basically Tuesday to you. So today we are painting the block. We're gonna grab some of the interior panels, clean all those up. Might jump into the carpet. We might have to run down to AutoZone and get some kind of carpet cleaner. But basically that's what we're doing today. We're spray painting, we're prepping, we're getting all the interior, all the motor stuff ready while Kobe's at the body shop. So sit back and enjoy, and let's start gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so all right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, guys, just gonna lay the purple down, just a simple coat just for it to touch. We're not gonna fully paint it on the first stage, all right? So I'll start at the bottom, get everything out of the way. Wow. Trap, you gotta see how it's taking the color.
Lays out nice?
Yeah, it lays out beautiful.
Oh, that's really nice.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. It's gonna take it well.
Oh, nice. 3-4 coats of that?
Yep, we're gonna do the whole can.
Oh, yeah.
Give it real good life on there.
It's gonna take a while just to get in all the cracks and crevices.
That's why I'm just trying to get it a touch. But
it's gonna be a nice purple.
it's gonna be a nice purple. Yep, this is the purple I was aiming for too. That's it. That's the first stage. I'll let that sit in there for about 5-10 minutes. I'll crank on the heat, and we'll see what happens from there. Coat 2. And give it one more, catch all these spots that I missed here, get some better lighting. Trappy pulled out all the panels. We're gonna start prepping and painting black. We got the dashboard here. Pick it up, buddy. We got the dashboard here, so basically just gonna start prepping the body stuff to get painted. We've got all our pieces all organized and arranged here. We're missing one panel. If anyone has one that can spare one, that'd like to sell it, I'll buy it. Thank you very much. I need the driver's side manual. Driver's side manual door panel, please. I don't care. Preferably this color so the paint can match. So it's like I think it's the gray color. Okay, moving right along. Start the coat on this side. So by the time I turn it around, I'll be good. This side is pretty much done. Best as I can do. Not bad. Gotta let it really dry. Ooh, Trappy!
Got 'em.
Yes, sir.
Got
Two-piece
'em.
diffusers are finally here. Took a couple of weeks to design. Big shout out to Various out in Indiana, the company I deal with. And these are now the two-piece diffusers.
What we got in there? We got
Hardware. Nothing but hardware. Is this just the hardware? Ah, what a fail.
damn Trappy.
Where's the other box? Oh my God. That's a fail. I'm putting that in there. Second stage on this side, boys. We're looking good. A few spots I'm missing. I'll flip the motor over, touch up on wherever else we're missing, but we're about to start prepping these parts here. So there's like a stage that we read online that we should do it. We'll share it with you right now. We're gonna set up 2 buckets outside and start cleaning these parts, man. I'm excited. You put a little acetone on the rag or paper towel, whatever you got, and you're trying to lift whatever armor oil or any kind of grease was on there before you actually start sanding and prepping. So we have to really clean thoroughly. We'll do all these pieces, and then we'll get a bucket, and then we'll start wet sanding with the scuff pad. So we acetoned all of our interior pieces. Tried to get them as flat as possible, get the gloss out, any armor oil or anything like that. And then we've got some scuff stuff there, and then some Scotch-Brite, softer pad. It's not really too rough, so we'll put some some scuff stuff in here, fold it, dip it in the water, and then just hit all this up. So we just want to get the gloss out of it so that it can take the paint better. Got them baking in the sun, guys. We got them down. You see how ashy they look? See how we took the gloss out of it? I don't know if it's there it is. That's a pretty good angle. You could see it obviously where there's a few spots that we missed. So we'll hose these off, wash them, and then we're gonna acetone them one more time before painting them actually. But moving right along. Some soap water. Trappy got a brush. He's hosing off. Just start scrubbing the inside of them, making sure everything is clean. This block's done, boys and girls. Can't wait to take all that tape off and see how it looks, and all the holes that I covered with bolts and stuff. But this is back here. It was baking, switched the heater to the front. Now we're hanging parts on the lift, and this is how we're gonna spray everything. Check out this contraption we built. We got our heater going there. We've got to shoot these at like 70 degrees. So it's about 60 something in here. Got these guys there. We got to do one more wipe down with acetone. But let's just check and see. Yeah, we're almost at 70, and then we can start shooting. But a little bit more cleaning to go. And see how this looks. We gotta try to keep these separated, Trapsy, because when we paint, we don't want to do one of these jobs. So maybe whatever. Or we could just do it in sections. We could do maybe 4 or 5 pieces, and then let them dry out, and then swap. Because we don't got much wire left anyway. So I don't think we're gonna be able to get everything. But what do you guys think of this contraption here? You can get it done, Trapsy.
Yeah.
Okay guys, temperature's good in here. We wiped everything down with acetone. Everything's flat and it's ready for paint. Take 1. like robotic. This right arm. Something about it. Laying on good. Laying on real good, Trappy.
I'm social distancing, but it looked good for me.
You are? You're doing a good job. Chacho. Qué pendejo.
You might be taking the shape of Chick Hoops right now, spraying that paint.
Yo, I think I'm starting to look like Fergie and Jesus right now. I see myself, there's like a mirror. I look like Fergie, and I seen a little blonde hair. I'm gonna take that as Jesus. Not bad for a first layer, man. Not bad. It's Project Driver. That car gets nervous when Project Driver's around.
Yeah, nah, that's a fact.
Look where Project Driver is, right across from the Roar itself. Look, don't even want to turn on. See what you did? See what you did? Don't even want to turn on, boss. Coming out money, Trappy.
Yeah, it looks good, Trap. Can't wait for it to bake.
Bake the first stage, then come back and hit it with another, and another, and another one. Still in the meeting. That's it, Gunners. These panels are done. Black. How's that look? It's all in the prep work, man. All in the prep work. Glove box. Took some out. I want to show you guys how it looks in the sun. Well, outside. So that's black. Came out great. Thank you for the suggestion, guys. I appreciate you in the comments. And then this is the original color. There. This came out great. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you guys for the suggestions. So Dupla color, man, vinyl and carpet paint. It's great. I just ordered 3 more cans because we've used pretty much 2 cans to do all this stuff. So we'll put the rest of that, finish the interior parts, and we still have the dashboard and the carpet. So we're gonna save. I ordered 3 more cans. Hopefully that's enough. Not bad. There it is, guys. Everything is done, man. This came out great. I knew that, you know, if we prepared right, if we prepped all the panels correctly, it was going to be good. Look how maybe this will give you some good reference with the white background from the truck. But wow. A little bit more cans than I expected. We used 2 cans for all this. We still got like the little small clips that go in here and stuff. And, you know, the fuse cover. But wow. We've basically got black interior now. We just have the carpet left. I ordered, like I said, 3 more cans. I might order 1 more, make it 4 cans. We still maybe might need a half a can for the smaller clips, like the vents and stuff that we took out. But this is gonna get prepared tomorrow. This is gonna get prepped. We've got 1 door panel to prep, and tomorrow we'll start painting the dashboard and the panel. But wow, one more time, this all came out so good. I cannot wait to see this car all put back together. So essentially, that's what we're doing, guys. You know what I mean? So we are preparing all the parts now, so when the car comes back from the body shop, we're literally just putting pieces on nice and neat, nice and clean, have all our clips ready, and so on and so forth. Let me show you guys the block before I get out of here. The block's all done. I gave it about 3 coats on each side. Doesn't really look great right now because I have to take off the plastic, but I don't want to be a hero. I'm gonna wait until actually tomorrow to take that off. So this came out well too. Man, I'm sorry, this lighting isn't doing me justice. Let me see if I get you guys a better angle here. Come on, focus up. Focus up. Come on. What is it with me in focus? It's on autofocus, Trap.
Can't get it?
You can't get it. There it is. They hating. It was hating. Purple. There it is. Okay, guys. Well, you know the deal. You gotta like the video. You gotta comment. You gotta subscribe. You gotta share. Share the channel with people. We're growing. We're at 25,000 subscribers. We're over here doing some incredible stuff, man. We're teaching in masses. We're helping so many people out in one shot. So I appreciate all of you, man, for your tremendous support throughout all this experience with this car. This is going to be great, man. This car, I won't lie to you, this car is, it's going to be hard to let go. I was telling that today to Trap and Vicky. It's going to be hard to let go, but imagine the expression on that person's face, or what impact we're going to do to their lives when they win this car. So you guys are watching all the groundwork, man. 12-hour days, you're watching it every single day, every vlog. When success comes, you see what it took to get there, man. So I love you guys, man. Carry a big confidence, man. Go out there, do your thing, keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I love you, man.